Now, from your hyper-local weather source, this is your Norcast weather update. Brought to you by The Kitchen Shop at EHT, your choice for full-service kitchen remodeling, offering all wood, semi-custom cabinets comparable to big box store prices. Our in-house installers will have your job completed in as little as 2 weeks. Visit us online at thekitchenshop.net.
Hi everybody, meteorologist Brittany Trumpy here. I hope you got to enjoy some of the warm air that we saw this afternoon. Temperatures were back into the low 50s. It's a nice treat. Again, above average by a good maybe 5 to 6 degrees across our area this afternoon. This is really the last day that we're seeing that mild air kind of situated across our area. We're sort of back to reality starting tomorrow, and then we are even cooler as we look forward to next week. Overnight tonight, dropping down into the 30s. Definitely some stubborn cloud coverage hanging out overhead. Most of your Monday during the daytime hours does look dry. It's not until later in the evening, after about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, that we start to see that rain moving in. So actually, most of your Monday is actually a pretty nice day with a few rays of sunshine, but definitely a couple of clouds kind of bopping around as well. Looking forward to overnight tonight. We're going to see low pressure slowly kind of lift up away from the Gulf Coast and start to move towards our area throughout the day tomorrow. Like I said, a lot of the moisture holds off until after about 7, 8 o'clock, and what starts off really as a rain event across all of New Jersey slowly transitions into more of a winter weather event by Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday night, everything's done and over with. So here's the breakdown. Far South Jersey looks to be mostly just rain. You might see a couple of flurries kind of Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, but nothing really is expected to stick. Where you start to get into the wintry mix, some accumulation could be possible where you see that purple shading. Definitely starts as rain, then kind of switches over to snow earlier on in the timeline, and that'll allow for maybe a nice inch or two to stick to a couple of spots, but most will just see a quick little dusting. Further to the north, though, where you see that kind of early transition into snow, where you have higher elevations, where you have a lot cooler air moving in early on, that's where you're going to see that 2 to 4 or maybe 4 to 8 inch range. I think some spots up towards the Poconos, where you run into the higher terrain in North Jersey and upstate New York, you're going to be seeing some even higher totals over 8 inches. But yeah, here across South Jersey, I would see nobody really going over about 2 inches, and most spots seeing just kind of some soggy roads and wet road conditions thanks to the rain. Looking forward to your 7-day forecast. We dry out a bit for Wednesday before we see another chance for some snow showers on Thursday. But really, I think the big factor for this week is going to be the change in temperatures. Everyone who has been saying winter's over, winter's done, it's so warm, it's so mild, you're not wrong. It has been very warm and it has been very mild, but it doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. Next week we are back down, actually below average, kind of moving in the opposite direction with temperatures in the 40s and 30s. So winter is not done, and we are not done with the cold weather either. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. I'll be checking in with you later on tonight with your bedtime forecast.